Hi, my name is Jennifer Dove, and today we're going to be doing a grounding meditation, which I call the Golden Light Activation. So, the reason for grounding, you've probably heard about that concept, and what happens. What happens in our human lives often and over is that when we are faced with traumatic events or experiences, we abandon ourselves, we abandon our bodies, we go somewhere else. Or we become small, and those experiences live in parts of our body that we're not in touch with. So a grounding meditation is actually about calling forth all of who you are into the present moment and to fill out your entire physical form and beyond, to increase your capacity to manage and to focus, to manage whatever life is bringing you today, and to keep your focus, one pointed focus, as you move through your day. So that you don't feel like you're being, drawn side to side with whatever is happening, getting off center and off track. So I really like to think of this kind of grounding work as increasing our capacity. And that, it takes practice, and your capacity becomes bigger and wider and fuller over time as you learn to feel safer and safer inside your body. Okay, so here we go. So this meditation can be done standing. I actually prefer standing for someone who's never done this meditation before, or sitting. And that's just because of the imagery I'm going to be using. So let's start standing together. And we're going to move right into a power stance, into the Wonder Woman power stance, which you might already be familiar with. You want to bring your feet, toes pointed forward, about, a few inches beyond your hips. So a little bit wider than a normal stance. And then lift your shoulders up toward your ears, roll them back, and let your shoulders just relax now. Let your arms be heavy. And you want to begin to feel your feet heavy on the ground, whatever you're standing on. And now send your awareness about 6 to 12 feet above the crown of your head. And there you're going to find a globe of pulsing, golden, liquid, luscious light. This is your source. This is your personal source. Your connection to all things happens through this golden globe. And now imagine that globe tilts forward and begins to pour this thick, beautiful, honey, translucent, golden light down toward you, right into the crown of your head. So you want to try and open the crown of your head. Just by thinking about it, it happens. And let that beautiful golden light pour now through your head, your face, your ears, down your neck, down your spine, across the top of your shoulders, and down your shoulder blades, your arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, fingers, down your torso, slowly making its way past your waist, your hips, into your thighs, filling out. Notice any place in your body where the light hasn't moved into, and invite it to move into that now. As the light pours down your legs, through your knees, your shins and calves, and into your feet. And now from here, we're going to open the chakras on the bottom of your feet, as well as letting that golden light come down from the base of your spine to the ground. So now we have 3 points of light where this golden liquid is pouring through, coming down from your spine into the earth and down from your feet into the earth. And let that golden light braid together into one flowing column, and it's going to pour straight down to the center of the earth. And the center of the earth, going past all the layers of rock, all the way down to the center. The center can be however you imagine it. You might imagine it as a ball of molten liquid, or a crystal, or a sun. Whatever you're seeing is perfect. We're letting these 3 columns of light braid into one and flow quickly down into the center of the earth. And once it reaches the very center, we are letting any toxic stuff come with that light down into the center of the earth. And that means any residue from conversations you had, anything that's lingering in the back of your mind that's bugging you, we're just letting that go down into the center of the earth, because Mother Earth can handle it. She transmutes that energy into a living energy again. And in fact, that's what's going to be happening now, because you are giving her this liquid gold, and she's going to begin to reach for it. You might see a hand, you might see something reaching up. I often see a carabiner, which is just an image that happens for me. And that's where I clip my golden cord into, connecting into Mother Earth. And once you have that connection, see if you can now feel the energy of the center of the earth coming into you, or toward you, surrounding you. It might feel like you're in a column of light, or like you're surrounded by gentle fog. And slowly, slowly let your awareness come back up along the golden cord, that golden braid you created, up through your feet, your legs, the base of your spine, and all the way back up through your body, out the crown of your head, back up to the golden globe, 6 to 12 feet above you, and then back down into your body one more time, through your head, your face, your ears, your neck, your shoulders and arms, into the torso, into the heart. And we're going to stop here with each breath, letting the feeling, the sensation of the light in your heart get bigger and expand. With each exhalation, your body feels heavy. That is a sensation that means you're relaxing, and that you're fully inhabiting yourself, your body. And the goal, if there is one, is to live from this place, in your heart, grounded to the earth, connected to the skies, to the heavens, to the stars and planets, connected to the center of the earth, and then connecting back to your heart. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and you can bring your awareness forward now, opening your eyes, seeing what's around you, getting ready to move forward into your day.